Hey everyone, I'm McKenzie, and in this video we are going to learn how to speed ramp a clip in Premiere Pro. Let's get started. So I have a clip here of this man playing basketball, and he makes the shot right here. And I want to speed ramp all of this in the beginning to this point. So there's a couple ways to do this, but the easiest way that I have found is I'm actually going to go down here into my timeline, and I'm going to expand this clip. What that does is it creates this white line here. Now, right now, this white line is designated to opacity. So as you can see here, as I move the white line, it increases and lowers the opacity of the clip. But what I want to do is redesignate that so that it actually goes into speed. And so what I'm going to do is in this gray square right here, it may also show up as purple, I'm going to right click it and I'm going to go down into time remapping and then speed. And what that does is it redesignates that white line as your speed. So right now it's going at normal speed, 100%. But what I want to do is I want to ramp the speed so that once I get to this point right here, it slows down and it goes into regular 30 frames per second. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit my pen tool, which is P on your keyboard. I'm going to put a point right there, and I'm going to go back to my selection tool, which is V. And you see you got these two little markers right here. I'm going to take the one on the left, and I'm going to begin to widen this out like so. And so what this does is this actually transitions your speed. So this makes it so that the first half of your clip, you can adjust the speed to be slower or faster, and then the second half of your clip can be whatever other speed you want. So you can go from being like, 10,000 speed down to 20% speed, and it'll ramp the speed slowly and transition it nicely. And so just like that, I'm going to hit back to my selection tool, which is V on your keyboard, and I'm going to ramp up the speed to, an obscene amount, like 800% or whatever. And what I'm going to do from here is it goes super fast and then it slows down right at that point. I want to make this a little bit smoother. And so what I'm going to do is once I highlight one of these markers, this blue indicator pops up in the center of the transition. And I'm just going to take the circle that's on the top and I'm going to bring it over to the left. And as you can see, that makes the line curve much more smoothly. So that way when I press it, it slows down to its normal speed. And really, that is all you need to do. And you can fine tune it however which way you like. And that is how you ramp the speed on a clip in Premiere Pro. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any comments or questions, be sure to leave them down below. Hit that subscribe button while you're at it, and we'll see you guys real soon.